Well, it is Sunday morning and it is time to go. I actually started packing boxes. Look at that. Not sure why I was packing boxes. What is the point? Either they're going to be here or it's not going to be here. Maybe one day I will come back and paint something right there on that piece of metal that's been waiting for me to just slap some goo on it. Maybe. Again, maybe not. It's pretty windy right now. Trees blowing. But look at that. The Gulf. Still really quiet. I've unplugged everything, shut it all down, took what's important, and look at those. The last thing to bring with me. My hurricane boots. Yes, those boots were worn last year, Labor Day weekend, for the Hurricane Irma, the one that blew away the bottom of my house. Let's see if Irma blows away the top of my house. So this is what happens when you think that your world's going to disappear. You pack everything that's important, and you realize that those boots are important. Dog food for my boo-boos is important. Something for them to drink out of is important. A whole bag of water is important. You know, they ran out of water, so I had to fill up my cheap wine bottles. How's that? And my paintings. I had 3 that were still hanging there. Took many paintings home a few months ago. Those are the last paintings that are here, and I'm taking them with me. And of course, my computer, so that I can do my work. This is what happened last year. It's gone. It's never there. There's no bathroom down there. Still just a hole. My docks. I managed to find those. Oh, some here on this island, some on the other island. Thought that we might rebuild, but that never happened. Yep, it's all gone down here. And pillows. Gotta have pillows in case I end up in a shelter tonight. I have half a tank of gas, so that'll get me to town and it will get me home. Hopefully, by the time I need gas, there'll be gas. Because right now, there's no gas anywhere. This is the road off a dark island. As you can see, nobody is here. Just me. These docks just got rebuilt in the last few months. They were destroyed last year. They took their boats. Let's hope they have docks that they can put their boats back on. There it is. What's been home for the last 4 years. There's 21 houses here. And I'm the last one to leave. Just